Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove KNOX MDM on Samsung Android. Alright, let's begin. First, understand that if your device is managed by a company or school, you cannot remove KNOX MDM yourself. If you own the device, go to Settings, then Security and Privacy. Scroll down and select More Security Settings, then scroll down again and tap Device Admin Apps. Find the KNOX or MDM app and tap Deactivate to remove admin access. Next, go back to Settings, open Apps, locate the MDM app, such as KNOX Manage or Workspace, and uninstall it. After that, you can perform a factory reset from General Management, if allowed. However, if the device is still enrolled, it may automatically relock after the reset. If it remains locked, the device is enrolled in KNOX or Android Enterprise. You will need to contact the company or seller to have it removed from the KNOX portal. That's it for this video. Thanks!